I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite girl, Diamond Lynn, aka Diamond the Don. If you don't know, now you know, boo boo. Okay, so I'm in a great mood because today is January 1st, 2022. It's 2022, and we're literally starting a new vlog on a new year, on a new day. I do have a lot that I'm doing, especially today. I am filming 2 YouTube videos today, and I'm kind of starting my day a little late, but one of them is at night. It needs to be recorded at night anyway, and the other one I'm just gonna do when I get home. So yeah, what did you guys do for your new year? Me, I literally sat in the house because I've been sick this whole past week. I tried to start vlogging I think on Thursday of last week, but I have not been feeling good, y'all, like at all. My mom literally had to nurse me back to health. So yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Diamond Lynn. I do beauty videos, lifestyle videos, hair videos, all of the above and some more. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We've been growing, let me tell you that. I literally get on YouTube Studio every day and I have a couple new followers, and that warms my heart. Like YouTube, I've been growing on YouTube and on TikTok. If you guys are not following me on TikTok, I make lifestyle vlogs on there. Not a lot of talking. Actually, I don't really talk to y'all at all on there, but the lifestyle content, like if you guys want to see what I do every day, and just like the little, you know, stuff I do every day, then go follow me on TikTok. And then make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well, okay? Because I know a lot of new people are going to see this video. So y'all need to get to know your girl because we're about to be one big happy family. Point blank period. So yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and get to going because it is 11:16 and we got things to do. So let's go. Dad's gonna make it go fast. Okay, y'all, I just parked. I'm at Avalon. Trying to make sure I have everything because being a quote-unquote vlogger, I literally have to vlog everything. I need to bring this camera and I need to vlog for TikTok. So let's go, guys.
I just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do?
Yes. Okay, you guys, so I'm leaving. Where am I at now? Avalon. The Sephora here did not have what I wanted. Well, I thought they did, but they didn't have the primer, so I just got those makeup wipes. They were on sale, girl, for $4. $4, that's it. So I'm on my way to the mall now to go to Sephora to see if they have it because I okay, so I know y'all are going to be mad at me. Excuse the ghetto ring light in the back. Y'all are gonna be mad at me because I was like, I'm not gonna vlog. Well, I don't even know the last time I've seen y'all, but hey y'all, so it is 1 o'clock in the morning. Can y'all see her? No, it is, yeah, it's 1 a.m. This camera be making me mad, but yeah, it's 1 a.m. So what happened was when I got home, I didn't film my videos today because when I got home I didn't have to, but I wanted to. I redid my room, like I changed it around, and I threw like a whole bunch of stuff away. I got a new headboard, as you guys can see. So I went ahead and redid my room. I'll give y'all a tour when my room is finished. But like I have to get like more pictures and like floating shelves, and we have to remount my TV on the wall. Girl, it's a lot. But yeah, so I no longer vlogged. I went straight in and did my room. I got home around 5. Like literally everything just like took too long, and I just took too long with everything I did today, and I didn't film my videos, and I didn't talk to y'all like that, but it's okay because we still have the rest of the week. I just wanted to come on here before I went to sleep. I already washed my face, took a shower, and now I'm in bed, as you guys can see. I manifested and I wrote down what I need to do for the week as well in my planner. So I'm really about to hit the hay. I was listening to my music. I started watching a couple YouTube videos, but I don't know. I'm tired. I'm just exhausted. But yeah, I haven't talked to y'all, and I was just like, they're gonna be so mad at me. But yeah, so I did that. I keep looking up because my vision board is right here. Y'all can't see everything that's on there yet. I was gonna like do like a vision board video, but I don't know if I want to do like a poster vision board or the vision board that I made on my iPad, because I know those are very popular right now, but I feel like everybody already got their vision boards made. But you know what, a lot of people probably don't have their vision boards made. I actually made mine in the beginning of December, because I didn't have a big vision board for me to look at for 2021, and I just feel like I needed to do that, and I didn't. And so I needed to do that for the next year, because I write down like my goals, but like waking up and looking at that every day is just going to be perfect for me. So I might make a video, because I feel like y'all need to wake up and look at y'all goals as well. It just makes you go harder. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, I am exhausted, and I have to film both videos tomorrow so I can start editing Monday. I might start editing tomorrow. We'll see what time I finish. But yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow or the next day. I don't know. Hopefully I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do good with being consistent. First of all, girl, my skin actually looks really good. Like, other than my hyperpigmentation, she's like glowing. Is my new skincare routine my keeper? Like, do we find a winner? Do we find a winner? Girl, I'm just looking like, hold on. I was supposed to be looking at y'all, which I was, and now I was looking at myself again. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to put y'all on to this skincare routine. And you know what? It's products that I used to use, and then I started using them again because my friend got me some products for Christmas. And I used to use those products 24/7, and then I switched it, don't know why. And now I love the way my skin is starting to look. Even though it's not like, you know, drastic, but like I usually have like very bad red patches over here. Girl. Okay, period. But yeah, I don't even remember what I was talking about. It's almost 1:30. It's 1:22. I need to be asleep because I gotta wake up at 8 so we can be productive. Because I need to make sure I eat, because I usually, when I film, I usually don't eat, and I need to make sure I get up and eat, or I'm gonna end up passing out in this room tomorrow. So yeah, good night, love bugs. I will see y'all in the next clip, which is like 5 seconds for y'all, but like 8 hours for me. So bye.
Not sure of what I see. Cupid, don't fuck with me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes, and I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign? Uncle Charlie.
Think about it, boy, leave her alone. You ain't no G, she likes my tone, my cologne, and the way I roll. You ain't no G.
It's legit
You know it's a hit when the Neptunes and the doggy dog finna spit. You know he's in tune with the season. Come here, baby, tell me why you leaving. Tell me if it's that you need, if you wanna breathe. I got the best minus C's. Ain't nobody tripping, VIP they can't get it. If something go wrong, then you know we get to crippin'.
I see Cupid on me. Are you telling me this is
Y'all, I look so crazy. Anyways, I am setting up my filming area for this video. Y'all, don't look at that, but that looks so good on this. Like, let me show y'all. That's how it looks. Yeah, girl. So I just plugged up my other I just plugged up the other battery. I'm going to start filming. I have 2 videos to film today, so I might not talk to you guys like that, but yeah, I think it's around 12 o'clock, so I'm trying to be done filming both videos by 6 p.m. tonight. This video shouldn't take me more than an hour, but you never know. So I will talk to y'all later. Let me go ahead and get to work. Hey y'all, why am I so zoomed in? Hey babes, don't look at my vision board. Y'all can't see that. My lashes are bothering me. Okay, whatever. So I am getting ready to go to dinner. I did a get ready with me. I'm not wearing this top actually. I'm about to go purchase a t-shirt to put on. But it's 7 o'clock. The place doesn't close till 10, so we're good. I'm trying to get my stuff because I'm not coming back home tonight. So I packed me a little baggie. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm zoomed in. The lighting's just really good over here. Hey guys, my boyfriend's looking at me like, girl. Okay, so we just got done eating, y'all. The food was so good. He had a seafood dip and I had a Caesar salad with chicken, girl. And then the dessert was amazing. I just saw the cutest freaking salon, and now when I open my salon, that's how I want it to look, just like that. But yeah, it is 10:34. We're about to go back to the house, and I will probably talk to y'all tomorrow after I do hair. So good night, you guys. Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday. Today is Thursday and I'm on my way to the salon. I have an appointment today, and then after I have to go run and pick up my client's wig from my vendor. So y'all get to see me on a little work day today. I did work earlier this week, but I just haven't filmed like that. I don't know why I wasn't vlogging. Why didn't I vlog that day? Oh, the camera was dead. But yeah, so I'm on my way to the salon now. My salon is in Buckhead. Y'all won't know where until y'all book an appointment. But yeah, I'm on my way to the salon now. They're finishing that up pretty fast. But how did everyone sleep? Me, terrible. Oh wait, y'all didn't even go to sleep. What am I talking about? Y'all didn't sleep unless y'all pause this and is finishing this video another day. But y'all didn't go to sleep. I am tripping. But yeah, so I don't have much to say in the mornings unless it's a rant but I'm not ranting today, so yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to the salon. Enjoy the little montage, okay? Bye.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that
Hey guys, so
Up, down, sideways, backwards. Words can be just dead.
they was just praying. And now they just arguing. Okay, you guys, so my appointment starts at 9. I just disinfected and set out all my stuff. My head itches. But I got my candle all lit and everything. I'm exhausted, honestly. But it's okay. I don't know what that is. So yeah, and I don't know where my remote just went. So I will talk to y'all when I come here. Well, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, the hair is done. I pulled it all back, y'all. It's 30 inches of pure beauty. You feel me? This is the install. Y'all see it.
Hasn't been enough.
What'd she say? Period.
It's given 24.
Yeah, it's her birthday. Y'all tell my girl happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Time for the birthday, bitch. Hold on, let me bring it.
Yeah, yeah.
Diamond's not one of them to play with. And if you're not booking with raw wigs, then what the fuck are you doing? Are you new here?
Why you see? This is what we just talked about. Why you go so hard on it? Why? Yeah, I don't know why she just went so hard on y'all.
She called me and instantly wanted me to make it better. So for me,
She feeling herself.
And is?
Yeah, as she should.
I get that my dad but I think that
Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Aaron! I look very crazy. I did not put no moisturizer in my hair, y'all. But I finally left the salon. I was gonna take another appointment today, but Shorty didn't respond. So I left. So now I'm on my way to one of my vendors to pick up some hair. And yeah, I'm about to upload. This is the picture I took. Y'all will see it in the get ready with me that I did. I'm probably gonna use it for my thumbnail. But yeah, so I'm about to upload. It's 1 o'clock. A good time for what y'all should do is when y'all when it comes to posting, if you want to do the social media influencer type stuff, look at your insights and see what time you should post. You want to look at your most active times, your followers' most active times that they're on Instagram, and mine is 12 o'clock, so I usually post around 12 or 1, and then it's active from 12 all the way to 6 p.m. So you have my bars are the same, they're all the same. I don't remember the exact number, but they're all straight across until 6, 7, and I think it starts dying around 10 p.m. That's when people get offline or they go do whatever they gotta do, get ready for bed or whatever. So y'all should do that if y'all are going to be posting on social media like that. so you get all your likes. And Instagram algorithm is constantly changing. I don't know what's going on right now with, like, you know, all I see on my timeline is other people that I don't follow, and I don't like it. So yeah, just post during those times. Just something to give y'all. But I'm over here trying to think of a caption and nothing is coming to my head. Like, and then I went to go look at other people's captions to steal somebody's caption, and nobody's caption is giving. And then my boyfriend talked about it should be my boyfriend took these pictures. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Don't shake your head at me. We're not doing that. It's not gonna be my boyfriend take these pictures. I said, what does it have to do with anything? He said you wouldn't be able to post the pictures if I didn't take the pictures. Anyways, we stopped at Starbucks after I left the salon because I literally had nothing in my body all day. I have that salad from last night that I really want to finish, so I'm probably gonna eat that later. We're almost at the place. It's only like 15 minutes away from my salon, so, but there was a little bit of traffic. Well, it's a lot of traffic. They're doing construction over there in Buckhead. They're doing a lot of construction, but it's off of, they're doing a lot of construction on that street. If you know the street, then you know the street, but they doing construction on it and it's getting on my damn nerves. So it was traffic going both ways, which is very ghetto. But I'm gonna get off of here and I will record when I get to the place. Should I record? I don't think I should record that either. So I will talk to y'all when I get there. I got the goodies. I didn't vlog because that's business. Sorry, boo. But yeah, I got the goodies. I'm about to head home. I need to eat. I'm starving. I really want my salad. Like, yeah, I'm craving this salad. It was so good. Go to Cafe Intermezzo, get the Caesar salad. I know it's basic. I was just, huh? Oh, go to Cafe Intermezzo and get the Caesar salad, y'all. I was debating between that salad or the, it was like the mango something salad, and it had fruit in it as well. And you can add grilled salmon, grilled chicken, shrimp, a whole bunch of stuff. Was he supposed to do that? I don't think so. Oh. But yeah, I got the Caesar salad with grilled chicken, and that grilled chicken was top tier, boo-boo. That grilled chicken was so freaking good. Wasn't it, babe? Yeah. It was really good. So, yeah, that's what I'm craving right now. And I hope it didn't get soggy. The croutons were sourdough. It was sourdough bread, and they made their croutons from scratch. So I'm ready to go home and tear that salad down. It wasn't too much dressing on it or nothing. Nothing. They made it perfectly, y'all. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later in the day after I get some food in my system, because I really don't got much to talk about because I'm starving. So talk to you later.
Lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs.